Semekh, the newest hero of the season, is incredibly powerful. Even at just 3 stars, he delivers the highest damage with the armor-piercing setup. He achieved over 44 million damage output with the Warhammer, surpassing even Skorn. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Semekh. Skills. Semekh's Rage skill boasts the highest damage factor in the Cutthroat family. It targets 5 random enemies, with each hit dealing up to 270% of its attack, culminating in a total damage factor of 1,350%. Additionally, for every 1% of his impact that exceeds the enemy's armor, Semekh receives a 1% bonus to his damage. This skill synergizes perfectly with the Warhammer's ultimate skill, Cost of Strength. Cost of Strength reduces the target's armor by 32, and by an additional 10 for every 20 impact points the ship has. For example, if our Warhammer has 23,000 impacts, it will reduce the target's armor by 11,500. Furthermore, Semekh's Rage skill hits 5 random targets with Cutthroat damage, allowing the Cost of Strength to reduce the armor of 5 targets instead of just 1. This armor-piercing combination significantly benefits other ships, such as strategic and artillery, enabling them to deal higher damage due to the lower target armor. In this battle, our strategic ship inflicted over 161 million in damage. His second skill is handy. It marks an enemy ship with the highest attack at the start of battle, increasing its aggro by up to 80% and the Cutthroat damage it receives by up to 19%. This causes the strongest enemy ship to vanish quickly due to the high aggro it generates. His third skill boosts the ship's impact by up to 40%, significantly enhancing the effectiveness of the Rage skill. If you use the armor-piercing setup, this skill will further enhance the armor reduction effect. His fourth skill causes damage to the marked ships, dealing up to 200% of the ship's attack every 3 seconds while also reducing their armor by up to 15%. Because the damage from this skill is Cutthroat type, it will trigger the Cost of Strength effect, further decreasing the armor of the marked ships. For example, if a ship has 17,000 armor, this skill would reduce it to 14,450. The Cost of Strength would then reduce the armor to approximately 3,000. When Semekh launches a Rage skill, he would gain a much higher damage bonus against the marked ship. His final skill is less appealing than the previous ones. It increases the ship's critical damage by up to 25% and marks a random enemy ship that hasn't been marked every 8 seconds. If the hero is at 6 stars, the interval for marking a target extends to 14 seconds, which is too long unless we fully max Semekh's star level. Additionally, if Semekh reaches 6 stars, the critical damage bonus only increases to 10%. There's no rush to enhance this last skill, thus, we can wait until the next season to level up his stars for free. The minimum recommended is 3 stars, but 4 stars would be preferable. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Trinket. The Undead's Legacy is an exclusive trinket for Semekh. This trinket enhances the ship's Cutthroat damage by up to 36%. When equipped with Semekh, it activates a powerful effect. When the ship deals Cutthroat damage, it inflicts an additional 320% of its attack on the enemy with the lowest armor. Additionally, it boosts the ship's impact by 50%. This effect can stack up to 3 times, with a cooldown period of 5 seconds for each stack. The damage will likely hit the marked target because Semekh's fourth skill reduces the enemy's armor by 15%. Furthermore, the Warhammer will experience a 50% increase in impact. The total impact boost can reach 150% if the effect is stacked 3 times. A higher impact benefits the Cost of Strength effect and the damage bonus from Semekh's Rage skill. In conclusion, this trinket is essential for Semekh, and its effects are best utilized when Semekh is ranked at 4 stars or higher. Currently, we're deploying Semekh even at 3 stars by utilizing the Double Cutthroat version 4.0. It performs exceptionally well, especially since many players have yet to acquire Semekh. If you want to know more about the detailed setup for Double Cutthroat 4.0, please comment Double Cutthroat 4.0. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.